is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of 5 to 50. My name is Austen.
And I'm Billy Ray.
And today we are talking about advertising, specifically pre-roll. But before we begin, let's have Billy give you a quick recap of what pre-roll actually is.
A pre-roll ad is a short promotional video that plays before the user's desired video. You know, the one you usually attempt to skip before watching a YouTube video.
Thanks, Billy Ray. Now, with that being said, here are 5 nuggets of information you can use to improve your video pre-roll advertisements.
Viewers tend to wait for the skip button to appear, so why not use that to your advantage? If you know where the viewer's attention is going to be, you can use that knowledge to work for your ad.
Keep your ad clear of useless and distracting information for the sake of looking cool. Your message or product should be at the forefront.
Focus on creative. Even if the viewer skips the video, having great visuals can help a viewer recall your advertisement later.
Don't confuse people by complicating your CTA or your call to action. Keep it simple and concise.
Know your demo. Remember, you can categorize and filter which audience your video is targeted to. Your campaign success is delivering the right message to the right person at the right time.
And that was a video pre-roll in 50 seconds or less. Leave your comments or questions below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on your notifications. Now go and make it a great day.